Hello, this is Dr. Paul Cottrell, and I'm going to be doing a market update. It is March 24th, and the market hasn't opened up in New York yet. This is a Friday, so this is going to be, a situation where a lot of traders are closing positions so they don't get exposed to the risks over the weekend. But also, people rebalance. There's some institutional investors that rebalance at the end of the week or deploy cash as they're collecting it from their investors and deploying it at the end of the week. So let's go over the indicators. The VIX in after hours trading from yesterday's close has been climbing up. It peaked at 25. It's been trading in a range between 22 to 25, a little bit more than 25. So, and the last hour or so, it has been mean reverting back down to 23.6 or so. All right. So again, there's going to be some volatility in the market because we're in the mid 20s for the VIX. When we look at the currency market, normally I look at the yen as a risk indicator. The yen was strengthening over the night. It peaked at 129.6. And it has been going up since 6 o'clock. It's been mean reverting back up to about 130. Okay, so over the week, overnight, Asia trading, it's been strengthening. There seems to be some risk in Asia building up. I don't think it really has translated that risk back to the US markets. Now, oil last night, oil has been peaked recently at about 71 or so and dropped precipitously last night. It bottomed out at 7 o'clock this morning at 66.8. This is the US futures market for oil, not the Brent. Brent is more overseas. But so there's been fluctuation in the oil market. Now, the futures for the Dow is minus 229 at this moment in time. So it looks like the market is going to open down. I do think that there's going to be a deployment of cash by institutional investors around 2 o'clock or so. They're going to do some rebalancing. So there's probably going to be some things that are happening at the 2 o'clock range. It's probably going to be an up and down day. I don't think that again, this is just my opinion, but I think that the way this is going to be is it's going to be mostly down with a little bit of a mean reversion upward, but probably will close down today. Now, again, don't trade the first 15 minutes, wait for some movement. If the market is starting to go down, then put some positions in. Don't trade all of your account, only 10% each position that you want to put in. And if it is going the other way compared to what you wanted, then do dollar cost averaging by putting another 10% in, and you get a better position. So when it mean reverts in your favor, then you will make money. How I'm playing this is I have a straddle. All right, I have a straddle where I bought Gush and bought Drip. Now this is oil. I do this because oil is very fluctuating, as you can see. Yesterday it was at 71, and now it's at 60. It's trading at 68. So it bounces back and forth. So I'm in the money for Drip, which is a short position for oil, and I'm out of the money in Gush. So what I'm going to do today is put more positions, depending on how the market opens up, because oil at this moment in time, in the last 15 minutes or so, has been going up. It was 30 minutes, about 30 minutes. It was at 67 and it went up to 68. So we'll see what happens. You know, things fluctuate, right? But if oil continues to go down, then what I'm going to do is actually add positions to my gush. So what I'm doing is I have a deep money position in drip. So that's making money. And I have a losing position in gush. All right. Now what happens is that probably on Monday, I'm going to close my deep money position in drip. And then take those profits and also move them into purchasing more shares in gush. But today I'm going to also add shares to gush. So my position in gush, dollar cost averaging was about 117 or so. And it's trading now at 102 in after hours. So it's a very good sign. I really want it to go below 100. That would be really good for me. I don't want this to go up. I prefer oil to go down actually today. So, so probably Monday, I'll close the position in drip, take profit, and then depending on what happens today, but I'll take profit Monday on drip, and then today and possibly even Monday, add positions to gush. So that's how I'm unraveling the straddle that I created in the Fed announcement. And this is the reason why you really have to have a lot of money to be able to do this. You'd have to understand that you're going into a cyclical market. You know, this doesn't work in a monotonic market. And so there's a lot of ifs that have to happen to be able to do this kind of strategy that I'm doing. And it's only for people that are professional traders. Do not do this if you're amateur. All right, so so that's my take on the market. You know, there's not a whole lot that, you know, Janet Yellen, every time she talks, seems to be affecting the market. You know, I'd prefer she just shut up, but, you know, that's what's going on. I think, you know, today, because it's Friday, most traders don't like trading after, you know, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So, you know, all the action is going to be happening probably between opening to 2, and then there's a rebalancing from, you know, from the, you know, the institutional investor point of view. So please subscribe to all my channels. I have 3 YouTube channels. I have a Brighteon, a Bitchute, and a Rumble channel. All of the links are in the description of this video and all my videos. Click the link and it'll take you to the channel and subscribe to those. Please support my work by being a Patreon subscriber. For a nominal fee, you can see my content. It helps support my work. I'm demonetized on YouTube for covering the COVID crisis, and this is the way to support my my endeavors. Also, please go to my store, the-studio-reykjavik.com. The link is in the description. It's the-studio-reykjavik.com. And you'll be able, one, to take a look at the PDF files under medicine and understand the crisis and why I have the perspective that I have. And in addition, you'll be able to take a look at some of the books that I have written for many years. I think I started publishing in 2010. I think maybe 2012, I can't remember now. And I have many books about finance, about biology, and also about artificial intelligence. And please check out my health products. I have nano silvers, C60, supplements, deodorants, toothpaste, multivitamins. I have a lot to offer to improve your health. So some of the products that I have is silver gel. Now, I have 2 different types of silver gel. I have this one, by Amio and another one by ABL. I've partnered up with both laboratories, and the nano silver is a structural nano silver. It's an Ag 404, so silver 4, oxygen 4 molecule. And what that does is it allows to neutralize pathogens. It affects the membrane of these pathogens, and they get disrupted. So the gel you can put on your hands. It stays on your hands for 5 hours. You can put it around your mouth and your nose. It neutralizes pathogens. In addition, you can put this on. You can put both gels on scrapes, burns, cuts, and what will happen is that your skin will actually heal quicker. In addition, I have a health skincare product line. It's called the it's one of those anti-aging boxes. I have 2 different boxes. One has collagen, vitamin C, and the silver gel. And you do that every day, and it'll improve your skin health. The collagen helps to build a stronger base layer in your skin. The nano silver you put on topically on your face, everywhere on your body. Leave it on your body and on your face all night long, and you do this regularly, and you'll notice that your skin is improving. The vitamin C helps to also build up that lower layer, the dermal layer, and get it healthier. And then also drink about 64 ounces of water per day. And what will happen is that water, that vitamin C, will start to start to work together to create cross-linking of a molecule, all right? And that will help build up the dermal layer, right? And then the collagen is tied into that. And then the silver gel on your face will improve and tighten the skin. And so what you'll notice after about seven days or a month's time, you will see an improvement of your skin health, and it'll look younger. Now, this is not like an anti-wrinkle thing or anything like that. It's not what it's for. But what it will do is it'll improve the skin health, especially when you do this on a regular basis. So that product is skin care anti-aging box that you can get. I also have an advanced version where you also get the C60 and the resveratrol. And the C60 and the resveratrol are very strong antioxidants. And the resveratrol also gets rid of senescent cells in your dermal layer that will help with rejuvenating and getting the skin younger. With that, please go to the store and try out, products like this, like the skincare product and the anti-aging boxes that I have. I've curated a ton of different anti-aging boxes at different price points to help you build up your immune system, help you slow down the aging process, to help heal your body, to build up ATP, get more energy, and live a healthier life. And in addition, also take a look at the different supplements I have. I have B vitamins, lignans, resveratrol, clarity factor, which helps with reducing brain fog, vitamin C, zinc, magnesium. I have pre and probiotics, multivitamins. I have a digestive enzyme complex that helps you to digest the proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. And when you do that, then you're extracting more of the energy that you're eating, and that will help have your body build up to a younger self. This whole idea is a very synergistic concept of, it's not about one vitamin or one thing that you take to slow down the aging process and have your body heal. It's a multi-pronged approach. We neutralize pathogens, reduce reactive oxygen species, and bring down inflammation. So I have turmeric and ashwagandha to control your blood glucose levels and whatnot. I also sell C60, which is a strong antioxidant. And I highly recommend you getting this and using this daily. If you can't afford it daily, then use it every other day or every third day, but use it because it will help reduce that reactive oxygen species. And that's a major contributor to stress in a cell and how the cell starts to become necrotic or diseased or just not as efficient. So I have 2 ounce, a 4 ounce, and an 8 ounce bottle of these. C60 can be, you can purchase it in avocado or in coconut. It's a very strong antioxidant. I highly recommend it to use this with the protocol. It's at different price points. I take a teaspoon of it a day. I have this in the 2 ounce, and you can just do a full dropper. If you can't afford it every day, do it every other day or every third day. But use it. Not using it is you're not getting rid of the reactive oxygen species. This soaks up that reactive oxygen species like nothing else. Yes, there are other compounds out there that are antioxidants like resveratrol or a vitamin C, but they can only neutralize one reactive oxygen species because it's one molecule. This molecule has 60 carbons, so it can soak them up at a much higher rate. I also have deodorant bars that I partnered up with Rainbow Herbals, citrus and peppermint. It's all natural ingredients. The ingredients come from the Himalayas. So essential oils from the Himalayas, high-end ingredients in this. There's no aluminum. It's all natural. Some of them are organic certified, you know, but the point here is that it's very high-end material that's in the ingredients are in this, and you will be amazed on the smell of it and the efficacy of the deodorant. So those are some of the products I offer. I offer a lot. So please go to the store, the-studio-reykjavik.com, use the discount code, all caps, discount 5, and you get $5 off. That will help with the shipping, and you get to try out the products. For individuals that purchase over $100, you'll get a free gift. So please support my work. You can also go to the website. On the front page, the home page, there is a donation button. You can donate through PayPal or Stripe. I also have in the description of every video a link to buy me a coffee. You can donate that way too. So because some people that watch the channel aren't in the United States, they're overseas, and they can't purchase the products that I offer, but they want to help support my work. So those individuals, please subscribe to Patreon. Please donate on the website, or donate through Buy Me a Coffee, and that helps to support the channel. You know, I have been demonetized ever since I started to really cover, deeply what was going on with this crisis, and I will never be monetized on YouTube. So please support my work. I appreciate it. Good luck with your trading, and I'll give you, more tips on what's going on with this crisis and how to benefit from it. But also, some of the scientific things that are going on with the crisis. I like talking about a lot of different stuff. I might even talk a little bit about philosophy. But please support my work. Go to the-studio-reykjavik.com, the-studio-reykjavik.com, and try my products. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.